For you to be able to deposit on the Deriv successfully, what you want to do, you just have to log in on the Deriv, and then it's simple for you to log in. But if you have no account, then I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have an account. So we're gonna click on the strike icon lines over here, and then we're gonna go to Cashier. That's why we're able to see the option of deposit and withdrawal. So we're gonna click on one of deposit, and then we're gonna go to deposit via bank wire or credit card. So this is an option that we have to choose, and there are many options here, but then we're gonna choose the one of credit and debit cards, because the one of Skrill and PayPal is good, but then I don't recommend for you choosing it unless if you want to use it, then it's okay, because you're still going to use your card. So I feel like it's not useful. And then we have the one of Bitcoin. You can choose it. So on this part here, we have to at least add the card number, expiration date, and then the security code, which is on the back of the card. All right, so we're gonna deposit an amount which is maximum is $10, but then we can choose. Let's say right now we can deposit 5. Let's see what's happening, because it's better for you to test the broker to see if it can allow. See, then we're not allowed to actually deposit $5. So let's go and deposit the $10 that they are asking. So when you're depositing, it's simple. You have to just use your same details, and then remember, with the MasterCard, I don't recommend you using MasterCard because it's gonna not actually give you much access to withdrawing your capital. All right. Here is my FNB. Have to verify the transaction. So this is what you have to do. You have the application, which is the banking app, or you have internet banking, so that you can be able to verify the transaction. All right. Okay, so I believe we understand each other on this part. So once you're done, you just gotta let it do you the job of verifying, and then that's it. You see, money reserved. So already made this deposit successful. So you gotta go back to the page where you were using for depositing. All right. So right now, if not, the money is not appearing, you just have to refresh the page, and then it will just appear. If it appears, then that's good. Okay. All right, and then this money is on the wallet, is not yet on the account, which is the MT5 account. So we have to go back again, transfer it, which is transfer. We go to transfer so that we can transfer from the e-wallet or the wallet that we have with the Deriv. And then as we can see here, we have our $10. So we're gonna transfer it, which is transferring it to the Deriv SVG. And then the difference between the Deriv and the finance, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to learn about what's happening there. All right, see, let's go to our MT5 so that we can be able to see our money. Here it is. All right, here is our deposit. And I believe now, if you have any question, if you have any problem regarding this, you are not able to to deposit, let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others. Really love you all, guys. I wish you all a successful journey in your trading, and if you need anything, you want to ask something, just let me know. I'm available 24/7. I'm signing out. Be blessed.